I'm going to show you the best Ticket Network promo codes and coupons. Now you can see if you click on the link down below or on the pinned comment down below, you can get this coupon right here. You can get $25 off your next order on tickets with $100 or $50 more. You can see you can just tap on this apply promo to get the promo code right here. You might need to make an account and you will need to buy on tickets that are $150 more. But once you have all of those prerequisites done, then you will get $25 off right away. All you have to do is to click on the link on the description down below or click on the link on the pinned comment down below. Once that's done, you can just click on this and then it'll be applied immediately just like this. You can see now it's applied. Now you just have to pick on whichever tickets you want to buy and then the coupon code will be applied automatically. Either you want to buy a concert ticket for Lady Gaga, Brandon Lake, Shaky Grave, Pulp, or Stevie Nicks, all of it will be applied automatically once you checked out. Again, all you have to do is to click on the link down below.